Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're about to go in a car wash. It's our first time. There's a line, and we also got some foods. We got some fries. Yeah. It's hanging.
Have you pressed already the button?
Yep.
The red button?
I did. And
Now recording?
Yep. And I got my fries. Got my fries. Entrance. And I'm here in Canada now. I might see my papa not much, but here he is. Oh, he's the driver. We just
Hello.
I know I showed you there, but it's my better show when it's reality. We're going in. Guys, this is going to be the best day ever. Aww. It closed. Well, guess we got away. And I'm getting the whole thingy out. He scanned the QR code. This is very good.
Not listen, no?
Oh my goodness, guys.
Right there. No, it's not like that. No. See.
Wait.
Like on?
Oh,
Yeah.
I can't play. Guys, we're going in this area under video survey.
Look at the snap.
Ah!
Huh?
Guys!
Huh? Look at that na go.
Whoa, I
Look
can't
at shampoo.
Guys, I can't see. Shampoo? The car doesn't use shampoo. These are weirdies. Guys, this is scary. Sounds like thunder. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Guys! Ah! Yum! Ah! Guys! Whoa! Guys!
Enjoy the show.
Enjoy the show! Yeah! Ah! Guys! Guys! We're rinsing now, guys! Oh, it's rinsing! Good thing we put our windows on. It's like waves. Now we're drying off.
It's a dryer na go.
Yes. Guys, it's like kuruk. I mean, when you touch the cars, like shaking. Wow, we're going the sunlight. Kind of hard. I hate. Oh, look. No people walking.
We're now good.
Yeah, we're good, but there's still some sparks over here.
Wait lang.
That car wash was long.
It's so easy now.
Yeah!
Their cars
That
are
was
so
fun,
easy.
guys. See you next vlog.